Chevrolet Volt. More Chevrolet Volt 23 of 25 the best midsize family sedans, 12 of 13 the best hybrid cars on the market, 68 of 83 the best cars of 2019. Dodge Viper GTS. Porsche Cayenne SE Hybrid. McLaren P1. Tesla Model X. The new Tesla Model X is all electric, which might seem like a bad thing in the Wasteland. Think about it, though. You've got a huge roof, a trailer hitch, and access to all the free solar panels on the continent. If you can find just a bit of time to plan ahead before the mutants show up, you could put together an SUV/flatbed trailer combo that will run forever on nothing but sunlight, of which you should have plenty in the average Wasteland. Mitsubishi Evo IX. Range Rover Supercharged. Fox Body Mustang. 1980s Chevrolet El Camino. Jeep Wrangler Staff Car. Mitsubishi Montero. 1990 or earlier Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser. Track T800 CDI. Old Chevy C/K pickup. Ford F-150 van. Local Motors Rally Fighter. If you had to sit through the last Transformers movie, especially after watching a car literally punch a guy in the head, but you might have appreciated the rest of that scene, featuring as it did these beasts from Los Angeles-based Local Motors. Caterpillar 797B. 2 words, rolling. Fortress. If you haven't seen it before, meet the biggest truck in the world, with a curb weight of just a hair over 3 million pounds, a payload capacity of 690,000 pounds, and a towing capacity of everything. The 797 is just the vehicle you need if your survival strategy involves relocating the remainder of humanity in a mobile castle and crushing everything in your way at 42 mph. You'll want the 797B model instead of the newer F model. It's got wider tires and an 1800 diesel fuel tank, almost double the capacity of the F, which you'll probably need, seeing as how its fuel economy is best measured in barrels per mile. Jeep Cherokee XJ. Hummer Home. More Hummer Home 4 of 35 police vehicles, police car models chosen in US and Canada, 162 of 228 the ultimate dream garage, 5 of 42 the best off-road SUV and off-roading vehicles. MRAP. Now that every podunk police force in the country has decided it needs a military surplus armored personnel carrier, you should be able to find these things parked anywhere there are 2 squad cars and a speed trap. Built to resist RPG, wides, and SOB of all kinds, this behemoth will instantly turn the tables on those gasoline-raiding cannibal mutants. which is a good thing, since you'll probably have to steal all their gas just to keep it running.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.